Now let me look at Shop. Shop, beautiful. Yeah, this is a 52-week high here on Shop. So since we don't really have any reference, let me go back farther. Yeah, we really have nothing to reference Shop. So if that's the case, because remember, we are clear skies here, right? So if that's the case, I'm going to respect this 9. Obviously, you can see it's been doing it all day. And for its price range, I'm going to be looking at this every 50 cents. So every 50 cents, I'm going to use as a mental key critical area because we have nothing else to go on. So if we look at this, every 50 cents, just so you have something in your head that you guys are using as a reference, because there's nothing to go on. Now, when I say nothing to go on, I only mean as it goes up. If it comes down, you have stuff to go on because you have all of this. This is previous data now. Moving up, you have no data to go against. But everything down here, we can start to look at, right? This is support. This is support. This is support. Make sense?
Yep.
And let it dictate what it wants to do, and you just start charting this out as it works. So as it pulls back, where did it stop? When it goes up, it's starting to create new information for us to base this on. If we have no information, depending on its size, use this every 50 cent rule. This will give us an idea and at least a start of, now this one you could technically do every quarter, but that's just too much charting, but about every 50 cents. Now look at this. You see how this is giving us data here on Shop? Right here should be support, which should be around 112.73. If not, you've got the 21 sitting right here, which again, if you look at this next channel is 112.37, but this should be support right here, 112.73, right where it's at exactly now. Everybody see it? Why is that? Because it showed us right here. This was previous data. You guys all see it? This came up. This was resistance. This came down. It became support. This came down. This should be support. Makes sense, everybody? It's giving us data as we go now. And there's the 21. If this can't hold the 21, we're going to get a nice bleed candle. This area, though, this area is everything. This is all support. If you guys, oops, let me get rid of this. Oh, yeah. This is all support. All of this, because if not, where's this going to go, everybody? Lights out here, right? Huge gap. That's a massive gap here.